once again to howtocookwithgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. And also please click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're gonna make a chicken pasta. Chicken, tomato and garlic pasta. Really basic version. You can play around it if you want. I've had loads of emails about kind of, people asking me for quick, easy meals who are not that confident about cooking. This is for you. It's really, really simple, very few ingredients, tastes great. Let's go and do it. Let's take a look at this really super easy chicken pasta. So, sliced onions, I'm using them red, and I've sliced them. You can chop them, dice them, it's up to you. Chicken breast, no skin and no bone in there. Can or tin of tomatoes, some garlic, a dried herb of your choice. I'll be using oregano today, but you can get a dried basil or one of those mixed Italian herbs if you like. And now pasta of choice. I mean, I've got this twisty kind of looking stuff. You can use anything you want. Get that cooked and ready because we're going to concentrate on the sauce. Okay, so get yourself a frying pan or a little wok or something like, like I've got here. Start it off with a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil. You could be using anything you want, sunflower, canola, up to you, corn oil. We're going to start off by getting in our onions, our garlic chopped, the dry herb of choice. I'm using oregano, like I say, but you go for something else. Our chicken breast, a little bit of salt to taste, some black pepper, and on a kind of above medium heat, let's throw this around in the pan for like 4 minutes. As you can see, this is coming together really nicely. We've got some lovely colour on there. This chicken is probably not cooked all the way through, but don't worry about that. What we're looking for now is just to get a little bit of colour and get all those herbs and spices happening. What we're going to do now is turn the heat down to a medium, and I got that 1 can or tin of tomatoes. Mine were whole plum. I just chopped them roughly. In they go. Now if you wanted, you could be adding a splash of red wine to this, throw in a few olives, maybe a little teaspoon of pesto sauce, or even some tomato puree or paste if you wanted. For me, I'm keeping this dead simple. And all we need to do now is let this go for about 6 minutes. At that point, it's going to be beautiful. And that's it. That sauce is done. So easy. That chicken is definitely cooked now. There's no skin on it, no bone on it, so it'll cook really fast. Simply, let's get some pasta in there. Some cooked pasta. Let's throw this around in the pan for a couple of minutes, getting that sauce on and around our pasta. Like I said, I'm using this twisty type stuff here, but you could go for anything you like really, spaghetti, penne. Right, off goes the heat. And that's done. Let me get that on the plate. Okay, and there you go. So easy, tastes beautiful. Play around with it, a little bit of chili powder maybe if you wanted. Even at the end, in the pan, a little bit of cream before you put the pasta in. That'll kind of change it up a little bit. So easy, hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please click that bell icon below. We will see you soon. Lots of love.